As an orthopedic specialist with over 40 years of experience, I have spent my life walking beside older adults through every stage of aging. I have seen the fear that comes after a fall, the frustration of losing strength, and the quiet worry that independence may slowly slip away. I have also seen something else, something just as powerful. I have seen the human body respond, even in its later years, when it is given the right kind of care, the right kind of movement, and the right kind of support. One truth has become very clear to me over the decades. Strength does not automatically come back with age. It does not return on its own. It must be rebuilt carefully, patiently, and consistently, especially after the age of 75. Yet today, many seniors are being told something that sounds simple and comforting. Just walk. Take a few steps each day. That's all you need. Walking is not harmful. In fact, walking is beneficial for heart health, circulation, and overall movement. But here's the part that is often left out of the conversation. Walking alone is not enough to protect your independence as you grow older. And for many people over 75, walking is not always realistic. Joint pain can make each step uncomfortable. Fear of falling can turn a short walk into a source of anxiety. Bad weather, uneven sidewalks, and living alone without support can make going outside feel unsafe. So when someone says, just walk, it can feel disconnected from real life. The truth is that after 75, the body changes more quickly than most people realize. The muscles that weaken first are not the ones walking strengthens the most. Walking does not rebuild the muscles in your thighs and hips that help you stand up from a chair or get out of bed. It does not strengthen the small stabilizing muscles in your ankles and core that keep you steady when you lose balance. It does not train reaction time, the split-second ability to catch yourself when you trip, turn suddenly, or reach for something unexpectedly. Walking mostly moves the body forward in a straight line. But life rarely moves in straight lines. Life requires turning your head when someone calls your name, stepping over a rug, reaching into a cabinet, or rising from a low seat. These are the moments when falls happen, and walking alone does not prepare your body for them. As we age, our muscles, joints, balance systems, and nervous system all need specific training to stay strong. Without that training, decline accelerates, especially after the age of 70. But the good news is that you do not need a gym, fancy equipment, or long walks outside to rebuild strength and stability. Sometimes, the most powerful tool is already in your home. A simple wall. A wall may seem ordinary, but for older adults, it provides something essential. Safety. Support. Confidence. One of the biggest barriers to exercise in later life is not lack of motivation. It is fear. Fear of falling. Fear of pain. Fear of making things worse. A wall reduces that fear. It gives you something solid to lean on, something you can trust. It acts like a quiet partner during exercise, always there if you need balance or reassurance. Movements that once felt risky suddenly feel possible. Standing on one leg, bending the knees, lifting the heels, reaching the arms overhead. With a wall nearby, your body can focus on moving instead of bracing for danger. Wall-supported exercises allow you to rebuild strength in the legs, hips, and core, the muscles that keep you upright and independent. They help improve posture by retraining the back, shoulders, and neck. They increase flexibility in tight areas like the calves and spine. And they sharpen balance and coordination so you feel steadier in everyday situations. Whether you have been active your whole life, or have not exercised in years, a wall offers a safe, gentle starting point that meets you where you are. The exercises you are about to learn were not chosen at random. They were not selected because they look easy or because they are popular. They were chosen based on decades of clinical experience and careful research. Our team of orthopedic specialists, physical therapists, and senior health experts from the United States, Canada, Germany, and Japan reviewed hundreds of exercises designed for older adults. Many were too advanced. Some caused discomfort. Others failed to produce lasting results. We focused on what truly works for people over 75, especially those who struggle with balance, joint pain, stiffness, or fear of exercising alone. Every movement we selected is supportive, functional, and effective. Each one translates directly into real life, standing up, walking steadily, reaching safely, and moving with confidence. One of the first abilities many seniors lose is leg strength. When the legs weaken, simple tasks like standing up from a chair or climbing stairs become difficult. That is why one of the most valuable wall exercises is the wall sit. With your back supported by the wall and your feet slightly in front of you, you slowly slide down until your knees bend to a comfortable level. You do not need to go low. Even a small bend is enough to activate the muscles. Holding this position for just a few seconds builds strength in the thighs, hips, and glutes, the same muscles you rely on every day to stay independent. The wall supports your body, making this exercise safe even if balance is a concern. Posture is another area that quietly declines with age. Years of sitting, using assistive devices, or leaning forward can cause the shoulders to round and the head to drift forward. Poor posture affects balance, breathing, and confidence. Wall-supported arm movements help reverse this pattern by opening the chest and strengthening the upper back. Standing with your back against the wall and slowly moving your arms up and down encourages your body to realign itself. Over time, this can help you stand taller, breathe more easily, and feel more stable when walking. Balance depends heavily on the strength of the calves and ankles, yet these muscles are often overlooked. Weak calves can cause shuffling, instability, and difficulty changing direction. Using the wall for support, gently rising onto the balls of your feet and lowering back down strengthens the lower leg safely. Even small lifts make a difference when done consistently. Strong calves improve walking confidence, help with stair climbing, and support quicker balance reactions. Flexibility is just as important as strength. Tight calf muscles can shorten your stride, alter your posture, and increase the risk of stumbling. A simple wall stretch, holding one foot back while pressing the heel into the floor, keeps the calves flexible and comfortable. This small daily habit can reduce stiffness, improve walking mechanics, and make movement feel smoother and safer. One of the most common triggers for falls is turning the head while standing or walking. Looking to the side can briefly confuse the balance system, especially as we age. Practicing gentle head turns while standing near a wall and lifting one foot slightly helps retrain the brain and body to stay steady during these moments. This improves body awareness and teaches your nervous system how to respond calmly instead of panicking. Together, these simple wall exercises address the most common physical challenges after 75. Muscle loss, poor posture, stiff joints, weak ankles, reduced balance. They require no equipment, no gym, and no travel. Just 10 to 15 minutes a day in the safety of your home. When practiced consistently, the results can be profound. Many older adults report feeling more confident getting up from chairs, fewer stumbles, less morning stiffness, improved posture, and more energy for daily tasks within just a few weeks. Perhaps most importantly, regular strength and balance training is strongly linked to fewer falls, greater independence, and a longer, healthier life. You do not need to do everything at once. Start with one exercise. Add another when you feel ready. You do not need to do them perfectly. You simply need to show up. Strength may not return overnight, but it will return when you give your body the chance. If you are still listening, it means you care about your health, your independence, and your future. And that is exactly where real change begins. Choose one movement today. Do it gently, do it safely, and do it again tomorrow. Your body, no matter your age, is still capable of adapting, responding, and growing stronger. Take care of it. It is the only place you have to live.